Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites, Python 3, 8 or newer, and VS Code with the Python extension. Once installed, open your project folder in VS Code and create a virtual environment with Python mvenv. Venv so dependencies stay isolated. Activate the environment on Windows use. Venv /scripts/activate on Mac OS/Linux use source. Venv/bin/activate, because installing Pandas system-wide can cause version conflicts. Make sure the Python interpreter selected in VS Code matches this with your virtual environment active. Upgrade pip first to avoid installer issues. Pip install upgrade pip. Next, install Pandas with pip install Pandas so you get the library and its dependencies. Once installed, tell VS Code to use the Venv interpreter. Use the command palette and select Python. Select interpreter so imports resolve correctly. Enable linting and auto-format to spot issues if you plan interactive work. Install the Jupyter extension and confirm Pandas works in a notebook cell by importing Pandas as PD and printing PD. Version. To finish, create a short script that imports Pandas and reads a small CSV. Run it using the selected interpreter to confirm everything works. If you hit errors, common causes are the wrong interpreter, an inactive virtual environment, or conflicting global packages. So double-check which Python pip refers to by running which Python and pip list. If necessary, reinstall Pandas in the active Venv, reload VS Code, and clear pip cache. One quick troubleshooting tip. Restart the VS Code window after changing interpreters to refresh environment detection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.